Welcome to Session 15, Proportional Relationships, Slope, and Rate of Change. Slope expresses a constant rate of change as vertical change divided by horizontal change. It unifies unit rates, proportional relationships, graphs, and linear models. Sign describes direction, and its magnitude describes steepness in the chosen units. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Identify proportional relationships in tables and graphs. Calculate slope from 2 points or a context. Interpret positive, negative, zero, and undefined slopes. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, a proportional relationship has a constant output to input ratio. Slope measures vertical change divided by horizontal change. Units explain what a rate of change means in context. Worked example 1. If every unit of x produces 3.5 units of y, the constant of proportionality is 3.5. The relationship is y equals 3.5x and passes through the origin. Check. Dividing any non-zero output by its input should return 3.5. Worked example 2. Find the slope through 2, 5, and 8, 17. Subtract y values in the same order as x values. 12 divided by 6 equals a slope of 2. Check. For every increase of 1 in x, y increases by 2. Worked example 3. For the linear rule, y equals 2x plus 1, evaluate the output at x equals 12. Twice 12 plus 1 is 25. Check. From x equals 8 to 12, 4 input units add 8 output units. Watch for this common error. Subtracting coordinates in opposite orders when finding slope. Correction. Keep the y and x differences in matching point order. Use this routine, name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Identify the variables, compute assigned output per input change, interpret it in context, and test it against another point or interval. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.